Hey everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Windows 11. Method 1. Open Settings. Go to Personalization and click Colors. Click the Choose Your Mode drop-down and select Dark. Instantly, Windows UI and apps switch to dark mode. Method 2. Enable dark mode via Registry Editor. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to locate Personalize. Find apps use light theme and system uses light theme. Double-click each and change their value from 1 to 0. Close Registry Editor and restart your PC to apply changes. After restart, check Windows mode. Recommend the easiest way, Settings, for most users. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.